why you would ever choose me!
Because you cried. When you cried and said you were lonely, you looked so human. I fell in love with you. There was a time when I was angry like you and believed everyone else was scum. But I couldn't cry with that kind of raw honesty. I can't cry at all. At that point, you were still in junior high, so I held back. But I never planned to let you go. So choose me. Say yes, Kyoko. Choose me.
Do you have a Lolita complex?
Where in the world did you learn that phrase? It's your fault. Being born with it.